I gotta say. Oh, hi. Don't get your head stuck. Don't be getting your head stuck. That'll be sad. No, I know. She's funny. Thank you. Oh my god, you are. Oh, you're touching. Thank you.
Flying through the mold. Some people put them into the sheds or put them around the bath and feed them high protein stuff and chemicals, you know, vitamins and stuff to push them through the mold. Well, the only thing with that is when they come back out, there's the kestrel there. I know he's got good eyes. And then when he shot the arrows down, he came down like a bullet, 182 miles an hour. Yeah, because he had his tracker on so he knew which one was which. Come on then. Come on then, baby. Oh, good boy. You did a little boy. The other thing about the feet is, what are you looking at? Wait. Chase. One more and I'll put you in. Chase. Let's see something. Here, I'm here. Here, I'm here. Woohoo. Joey. Look at him. He's so nosy. Well, the osprey, the reason the osprey has the same as the owls, why he can move his feet like that, is because he can go in fishing. So when he's caught his fish, he ain't going to want it sideways when he's flying, is he? So what he does is turn his talons round and point the fish in the direction of flying. Clever stuff, isn't it? Come on. One more. Livers out of animals and the bone obviously and the horn and the poisoning the carcass to kill these guys. So if you kill these guys off, you're just been men really, and you know, and they're getting rid of not only the disease but they're getting rid of all the nasty, smelly, rotting stuff. Now their acid in their stomach is so strong. Yeah. It's like a blanket. You're just too cute, aren't you? You're just beautiful, aren't you? Look at that. Just going back to being a baby. Yeah. Me 2 hours to get him back in, so I don't do them with people yet because, like, you can talk about peregrine falcon for so long, but 2 hours, you know what I mean? Everybody's like that.
Oh, these are peregrines.
Pardon?
These are peregrines.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
That's a all peregrine, and that's Rocket, the baby peregrine. Yeah. I don't put bells in them because they come in so quick, and they've been really naughty. And all these people, he's focusing. When he's doing this, he's still focusing. He's still slightly blind. Aren't you? Hey, baby. Oh, little wobbly. Hello. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. He sits with me on the night time. Last night I just got in, I'm sat lying on the sofa. Baby,
Twice a day.
sit down.
Twice a day.
He should be fed once a day now, really. But twice, you can't keep him for a bit longer. When his son won't
I'll
feed
leave him on
once
this
a day.
mat.
Otherwise,
It won't hurt him.
he'll grow
It won't
too
hurt
quick.
him. Well, this is what we're doing with him as
You've
well.
got to make the happy medium so he gets to know you more. You can feed them birds constantly, there's food all in the aviary constantly, and they'll grow quickly, but they won't get attached to you. You've got to hand feed them nicely until they're not attached to you all the time.
Beautiful, that.
It's time for feeding, what's breastfeeding, love? Is that alright? Sunday.
I won't get a lot out of them, but you can try.
She's an endangered species, she works for NHS.
Oh, nice to see you, love.
She's
Well
been
done,
tested
darling.
for corona and all
Keep up
that.
the good work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try it.
She's
Yeah,
self-testing for
NHS, and
corona.
I think of the government.
Go on, talk some more. That's it. Good. Is that the male or the female? The male, isn't it?
The male, yeah.
Good boy. Talk to us some more.
Hello.
Come on. Talk to us.
No. Wow. Say for its back self, honey.
Oh, till I put my camera on.
Like, are you gonna feed us? 'Cause you're not gonna. happy over it.
Yeah. Of course, he's stopped now. I've started recording.
Oh, hi. Yeah, you were flying over us, mister. Hello. No.
It's not going to talk now. I've turned the camera on again. I know. Go on, talk. Say hello. Thank you.
Remember that little owl when we saw me and we were on holiday?
You're not going to talk again, are you?
Dear me. I know. Oh, I think we'll try and get that off. Oh, oh. You want to check? You can't escape.
Oh! Do you hear that?
There you go. Well, you see when she's coming down, she puts the wings out, she comes down to glide, and then... Yeah. A lot of sayings come from the bird world. You've got cadge your lift, that comes from the bird world, and that's the royalty. They don't carry their own birds. Why the hell?
So after this, Andrew, the owner, is going to be put in an isolation box or room to see if his feathers will start growing up nicely. At the moment, he has a tendency to sit on them, which is a bit of a pain. Now, there's no nerve endings in the feathers; it doesn't hurt them. It just makes them look incredibly scruffy. And when they get that short, it does affect their flying. It affects their movability. So, hopefully, being put in an isolation room and coming out every day being flown.
To wriggle on the sofa to